Okay friends, let's see today's delicious cocada recipe. It's really simple, just 2 or 3 ingredients. So now first I'm going to get my tender coconut ready. So I go to my coconut guy and I ask him just to give me the best coconut that he has with a lot of malai in it. Now if you have your own coconut trees, then you know how to cut a tender coconut. So basically, you got to get really lovely malai from the tender coconut, and don't waste the water. The water is also delicious. So I was just taking a clip of my regular coconut guy cutting the tender coconut, especially for people in Mumbai who don't really have access to coconut trees. So write down in the comments. I would love to know whether you have your own tender coconut trees at home, and you know that's really a big blessing. So now I just asked him to get the water off and then to cut the coconut in such a way that I can easily scoop out the tender part of the coconut. So now I got the coconut home and I gave it a thorough wash in my colander, and then I'm just going to cut it up into strips because generally this cocada is in strips, so I'm making it a little smaller. Take a nice sharp knife, and I got about a cup of tender coconut. So now I'm going to prepare my sugar syrup. So I've taken 1 cup of regular sugar, to which I'm going to add about half a cup of water, and I'm going to mix this really well together on a low to medium heat, stirring continuously. Now we don't want to make a very thick sugar syrup or a pak like we would for gulab jam. We just want to stir it till it starts to thicken. So I put a timer on my phone and it took me about 3 minutes. Once it starts to thicken, just add this tender coconut that we've cut up, and you're going to cook this on a low to medium flame, stirring continuously, and you will see after about a minute or two it starts bubbling into this white kind of a liquid, and just keep on cooking it till most of the liquid is absorbed. And I'm just going to add a little bit of food color. Now this is completely optional. The reason I'm adding food color is that I did not get my hands on colored wax paper, so I'm just using regular butter paper that I have. So if you can get colored wax paper, then you can leave it white. That's how it is traditionally eaten. That's how it looks traditionally, but I do not have color paper, so I went with pink gel color. So this is how it looks. So when it comes to this stage, turn off the heat because it will crystallize immediately. So don't try to dry it up too much. It should be of this semi-solid gel kind of a consistency. And then you're just going to transfer this onto the butter paper or the wax paper if you get your hands on it, and let it cool down completely. So I just put it in a bowl so that I don't mess up the place, and I put the butter paper in the center, and I just put scoops full of it, and it crystallizes almost immediately, and after 5 minutes you can just enjoy this lovely sweet. So do try out this recipe. It is amazing. It's so delicious. Everyone at home just loved it. The tender coconut and the sugar syrup combination is just perfect, and it's a melt in the mouth sweet. So I hope you like this recipe, guys. I'll catch you soon. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.
Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.